We got Flossy. We got the fresh engine. I took it for a drive last night real quick, and it was running pretty good, making good oil pressure, holding good temperature, and ran pretty good, honestly. The only thing was the clutch was engaging really high, so I got that adjusted. I'm going to see if hopefully it'll be better now, and we're going to go for auto drive. I didn't film the drive last night because it was really dark, but it's nice out today. Got a little bit of rain. You'll have that on these big jobs. So let's do it. Alright. Feels good to be saddling up in Flossy again. And we got the hardtop on. So, do a little start up here. Let her idle down. The rings should be okay to idle now. It's got a decent amount of runtime on it. Second gear feels good. Third gear feels good. Alright. The clutch feels way better than last night because I don't need my underglow on, it's not dark out. Try downshift a second. There's 30 mile an hour. Alright, so I was playing around with the steering adjustment. Last night it was really tight. Now today we got a decent amount of slop in it, so I gotta find the medium between the two runs. Oh, it feels good to be back, baby. It is definitely running smoother than the old engine. Like, I'm just holding at a steady RPM, it's just there, just running, instead of like before if you tried to hold an RPM it would kind of sputter and pop. This is great. Brakes are ish. They're not good, they're sort of there. It's actually not raining too hard. I can probably go tell them to take the top off. I'm actually gonna go the other way. Actually, gonna stop here. Do a quick check on the engine, make sure it's happy. Oh, listen to that baby purr. All right, way better idle than before. That idle is minty. It never idled this quiet before. Just check. Everything looks happy here. No oil leaks, no coolant leaks. Just sewing machine is finally activated. I could never get that before. And now, boom, we got sewing machine on wheels, brother. All right, let's rip this unit. Up to operating temperature, we're charging, we got oil pressure. Gotta move my mirror back in. All right. There's a bit of a screeching noise coming from the clutch when it's engaging. So I'm hoping that's just the new clutch having to wear in. It seems to be getting better the more I run it. Last night was way worse. Clutch feels good on that hill. This is fun. I gotta get used to this thing again. I got used to the TJ. Not that TJs are known for their handling capabilities, but they do make a early CJ5 way worse. This thing is also revving a lot higher than it used to. Like before, as soon as you got to like 2000, you're like, man, I need to shift. Now it's like 3200 and it feels fine. So definitely a lot smoother. Probably the valve job and real piston rings and pistons and all that good stuff. This is a cool road through here. We got an uphill climb. Let's see how she does. Third gear, let's see if it pulls. It could do it in third, but I don't want to lug the new rings that much just yet. Once it is broken in a little more, third gear will pull right up this fine. All right. Dude, this thing is minty. Great pickup. I'm just slightly laying into the pedal in third gear and it just boom. Great pickup. 50 pounds of oil pressure. Brother, we got a race car. Race car that's extremely slow. Nevertheless, race car. I would say there's potential. That was a good run. Idle is a little bit high, which is probably okay for now until the cam and the rings get more use. That was a great run. Brother, this is exciting. Look at that. No oil leaks, no coolant leaks, no funky smells. We're good.